Is the Institute planning on meeting sometime this fall? If so, any details? I'm interested in attending and contributing any way I can.
I prefer you give it the first, and
I don't have any specific answer. There have been.
What does Francis say? Or do I have to answer this?
Sorry, I have to put myself off mute. Say again, Curt.
So, Martin, repeat the question.
Is the Institute planning on meeting sometime this fall? If so, any details? I'm interested in attending and contributing any way I can.
We are trying to organize something this fall. My view was we wouldn't be ready till next spring. The guys want to have something sooner. I think that Francis, correct me here, because you're like actually the boss and I'm just like the talking person. So my belief was it would take us till next spring, but there's a sense of wanting to take action and a sense of wanting to build community. And what we have learned from our previous events of working together is these relationships we build are long lasting, and that they're meaningful to people, and it helps people be able to develop the trust necessary to invest in learning all this nonsense. So my view is that we're going to try to put something together for the fall, and it'll be our trial run at how we can put this together with this team. In the past, of course, we've been externally funded, and not always, but externally funded. And so if somebody wants to put up 10 grand to run one of these things, that's great. At this point, we're not funded that way, and so we're going to do this. I just want to note that we were funded that way, but we actually made money because people will pay to come there, and we're not trying to make money so much as we can. The Institute operates very as a nonprofit, and so we don't try to make money, we just try to cover our costs. So in the case of this fall, it's I think we've sort of got a region down where we want to have it. We've been looking at some venues, and we'll probably announce it 60 to 90 days ahead of time so that people have time to plan. I don't know how sure Francis is that we can be ready, and all right.
I think the project is in progress. We don't know a definite day or venue until we do some more work here first.
Okay. All right, so there you have it from the boss. Right? You may not realize it, but I have a couple of bosses. I have Brandon as my boss, and I have Francis as my boss, and I just talk a lot. So there we go. They have the truth out in public, and Brad is sort of like he's sort of like, you ever watch Bill Gates when he was younger? He had this person stand behind him, tell him what to say and do all the time because he was such a nerd. That's sort of like Brad. Anyway, anyway, so let's continue. I was trying to add a little levity there. So we answered the question, do you think?
Mm-hmm.